What if I told you that these flawless voiceovers that you hear on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and the rest weren't recorded in a fancy studio at all? In fact, some of the creators that you watch every day don't even use their own voices. AI has changed everything. By the time you finish this video, you get to know exact tricks that they use and you'll be able to pull it off yourself. And trust me, the surprise I've got for you by the end of this video will completely change the way you edit your videos. Meanwhile, I'm Oma, and on this channel I talk about content creation, monetization, and the use of AI tools. So consider liking the video, hitting on the subscribe button, and on your post notification. Alright, let's jump right into making awesome voiceovers here in CapCut. Perfect for your storytelling, vlogs, or anything else that needs your unique voice. Let's start by opening CapCut and clicking on New Project. Choose the video you want to add the voiceover to, then tap on Add. Now your video is ready. The first thing you want to do is to select your video and look for volume. And mute the original volume of your video like this. At the bottom, tap Audio, then click on Record. You will see a microphone button. To record your video, just click on the button and start talking. When you're done with the recording, click here. CapCut puts your voice under the video, as you can see here. Now it's time to edit your voiceover. If there are places that you made a mistake while you were recording, it's time to use the split and the delete button to delete that particular part. If your voiceover is not loud enough, you can use the volume button to increase your voice. And most importantly, if you recorded your video in a noisy background, you can use the reduce noise feature to reduce the noise in your video background. You can use the enhance noise to enhance your voiceover, especially when you didn't record your video with a microphone. It gives your voiceover a unique touch, similar to those recorded in a fancy studio. Alternatively, you might not want to use your own voice to record your voiceover. The good news is CapCut has AI voices built right in. Here is how to use them. You can delete your voice and make use of AI. Click on text, then text to audio. CapCut opens up a place where you can type your words, so it's time for you to paste your script here if you have one. For this tutorial, I'll be using Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Oma here. A list of AI voices will appear. This is the fun part. You can pick different voices, male, female, with different accents. Tap on the preview so you can hear what it sounds like. You can as well adjust the speed of your voiceover. You can make it faster or slower. If you're satisfied with any of them, click on Apply. CapCut will instantly turn your written words into an AI voice. Let's play the video.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Oma here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Oma here.
So we've just generated a voiceover using AI. The final thing you need to do is to go back to the text area. If you don't want your text to remain on the video, simply select the text area and click on delete. This deletes your text from the video, but your voiceover still remains. Next, click on export button and wait for your video to be exported. If you found this video helpful, guys, kindly click on the like button so more people can discover this video. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.